Hi, this is Biswajyoti. Welcome to Film Villa. Today I will be talking about the movie Jawan. First of all, congratulations to the entire team of Jawan.
और क्या चाहिए?
एक गाना सुनाइए ना।
Atlee has wonderfully portrayed all the characters of Shahrukh Khan very nicely and gave a unique way of representation to the movie. Atlee has used all the cast and given proper screen time to them. But I think the character of Sunil Grover can be used more. The script is very nice as there is no unwanted scene or extra scene. All the scenes were very precise and to the point. Action scenes were designed very well. Female action sequences were as strong as the male action sequence. Atlee has given strong message through his film to the entire corrupted system. But must say the interval is a whistle worthy. The crowd went wild. The story is very political in nature. It deals with the corruption of the system. SRK and his lady gang are against the system. They want to do some right changes to the system, but it happens in a wrong way, like you have seen in the trailer where SRK and his girl team hijacks train to demand something good. Deepika has a strong and powerful role in the movie. The story is about love and revenge for the father and promise given to his mother. Atlee and SRK treated the audience with many wow moments that were whistle-worthy, like when SRK has a fight scene with actual Ramayya Vastavaya song playing behind, the reference with Simba and Musafa, the unique car chase sequence, and the crowd went wild when SRK said, बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर.
बेटे को हाथ लगाने से पहले बाप से बात कर.
After all, it's a good commercial entertainer movie to watch out and to go wild with entry scenes of SRK. The Masi Avatar of SRK was a treat to watch in the hall with the background score of Anirudh and Raja Kumari. Somewhere I felt this time Anirudh's music fell short, but when Raja Kumari's track hits, it was bang on. This movie has a strong message for the people where SRK breaks the fourth wall, and it felt like he is talking directly with the audience eye to eye about the corruption and politics, and we must think about it. There is nothing to say about SRK. He was the king and he is the king, and he will be the king of Bollywood forever. He is the last of stars. I felt good that finally someone from class A actors from Bollywood are making this kind of stories which are always made by South, but somewhere it fades. SRK screen presence says it all in each and every avatar of SRK. The lady gang has played perfect to their characters. Nayanthara, being the lead heroine, has played to her role as a fearless lady police officer. Deepika's character is so important that the movie goes around her. It never felt that it's just a cameo. She brought the weightage to the story. Now my favorite Vijay Satupathy. His portrayal of an antagonist was smooth. No extra hype, no forced swag sequence. Just smooth acting portraying psychotic armed dealer. No doubt, he has done a great performance in his character.
So Kali, no deal.
Last but not least, the prosthetic team and the makeup team of SRK has beautifully done their job. I never felt anything fake or cakey or something incomplete. That's it for today. I will be back with the spoiler review. Follow me on Twitter and subscribe to Film Villa for more updates.